All right, so we are heading down to the basement. Diana ran up here real quick and told me that the bird is out.
I heard the bird flapping around again. I have closed the bathroom door downstairs, but I just went down to wrap Christmas presents.
All right, I gotta get a towel.
And I heard the bird in the bathroom. So we're going down into the basement. Okay. I heard him flapping around in there. I know
There's the bird.
Where is he? Turn the light. Wait, where is he? Right there. Okay. Don't let him get back in the closet. Try to get him down out of there. Okay. Put the towel over him.
Oh, you went behind the heater.
Shoot.
Okay.
He came to drink the water and the food that I put out for him. Okay. Now what you gotta do is try not to let him get back into the closet.
Where's he at?
He's right here. He's on the candle.
Okay.
Try not to let him back in the closet. So we gotta keep him.
Okay.
Here's a towel. Oh gosh. So just try to like, oh shoot. Oh, try to get him out of the closet.
Probably got poop on me.
That's okay. Just don't let him get back in that little area. If we can get him out of the...
Oh, crap.
Where is he?
He's back here, but...
Yeah, if we can just keep him at least on that side, because he can't get out on that side.
He's up here. It's a little bird.
Oh gosh, he's on your head, he's on your head. Oh shoot, he's getting back there. He's getting back there again.